In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add channels to favorites on Dish TV. First thing you need to do is to make sure to head over to your TV, and then from in there, you just need to actually make sure to install the Dish TV. You can find them by going to your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device and searching for Dish TV. If you see the install option, make sure to install it directly and you should be able to access it from there. So once you have it installed, I will head over and show you right here a method on how to add channels to favorites. So we have in here the channel guide for Dish TV. This is for today. You can see the all day as well as the morning time slot, evening and night. You can see right here which movies or as well as other things will be added or will be played on different channels. So what you can do in order to add these channels to your favorites is you just need to head over and then click on the specific channel directly on the Dish TV app. Click on the three dots and then make sure to add this to your favorites once it's actually open right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.